Hello YouTube, it's Jam. So today I am on a little mini holiday with my little fam bam, and we're in this adorable little room. Jesse's out there somewhere. So we paid an extra like 20 bucks to have a doggy, which is awesome. So I'm going to show you the cute little room. Oh, are you going to come out, or I still have to get my bag? So here's our adorable little cabin, and it's so cute. Here's Jessie, she's waiting for us to go on a W. So literally all it is a bed in a room, and then there's a wee TV there which we can't figure out how to work, and a heater, and then all my crap. There's Jessie's beanbag. So yeah, we're gonna go exploring, see what we can find. We've already had a bit of a sneaky Woodstock. And yeah, we're booked in for dinner at 6. What's this place called? Show her on the thing.
The Whistling Frog.
Show me.
This way?
Yep. So we're at the Whistling I was going to say Frog. This is where it is if you live in Southland. Super cute. So yeah, we're going to go on an adventure. Aren't we?
Fucking A.
Alright, we've found a little 30-minute walk to do with Miss Jessica so that we can go out for tea and not worry about her pooping in the room. Let's go, Jessie. Jessie, let's go. Come on.
Looks a little rapey. Rapey. Fuck yeah. Oh, shit. We fucking love it. Yeah. Latest, Jessica. I've got a fancy camera, I can zoom on that ass now. Damn. That ass. Hello. Right.
We found a cool boardwalk. Hope Jessie knows to not go off the side. This doesn't even look like it's 30 minutes long, does it?
Maybe go way out that way.
This whole vlog's just going to be of us walking. Oh yeah. We're watching our figures. Hey Jessica! Jessica's always watching her figure. Oh, she doesn't like the chicken wire on her feeds. See, she's doing a little hoppy. Do you want me to carry you? So that walk was only like 10 minutes. So now we've got some tonight and we found this now we can see the beach. Moo friends. Some cute little babies over there. Right, I've just chucked on some quick face and we're going out for things. I'm going to leave Jessie on the porch so that she can pee. This new firmware is my fucking capture. Good morning YouTube. So my hair is up to work. It's Sunday now. I didn't keep filming last night because we just ate all the nums, had some bourbons, and then watched movies and went to sleep. So pretty exciting. Yeah, we watched Beavis and Butthead. So today we're gonna go do a big walk. We're gonna go get coffees first. I'm gonna see how this one goes. Walking up to the waterfall. Hi Jessica. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go get some breakfast first.
Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Yeah, where we going?
Beach.
Got a tired little puppy in the back. You can't see her. There we go. Hi, Jessica. Oh, car. The tide's coming in, Miss Jessica. We can probably go over to that bit up here. Do it for Lojo. Ready, bro? Jeez, how much further back can you go? You stood right in the middle. Was that for Lojo?
Yes.
Damn, get your six pack out.
Maybe later.
Jesse, come here, car. I found some babies. They are so freaking cute. Hi. You're hungry, aren't you? Well, have you got all your outfits on? Does your mummy not love you? Hi. Oh, aren't you precious? Hello. So last time you saw us, I think we were like at the beach in the Catlins. Now we're at home because we had some nums and then we decided to come home. Now I'm a pumpkin and we're going to go to my brother's house for a couple bevies. So I'm just going to continue the vlog.
Damn, girl. The bully doll. I've got a very tired little baby there. Ah.
Like a Hellcat.
James back to bed. Done. It's because she would have.
A lot of effort.
And even get back in the bed, she would have said no.
And then you're like, I need to tell this story next time we're around the table.
What's I was saying? Hey, Bryce.
Yeah, bro, yeah. Good.
Is it videoing or is it?
Yeah, take videos.
I don't know how.
Bourbon.
I don't know, I just thought it might be an idea.
Bourbon scratch.
Okay, panorama, because I can't do it. I suck with cameras, BT dubs. Oh, look, camera.
you just
It's
suck.
Ethan. Daniel. I feel like I'm in the 90s. I don't know why I feel like I'm in the 90s. You guys got nothing to do. Well, we'll be there. Something's coming. How do you zoom?
Oh, that
It's cute.
yeah.
It doesn't make you feel.
Whose arm was that? Whose arm was that? Ah!
Oh, we didn't. Hey! It's gonna be waiting here for us. Oh, 3 people, 1 shot.
Words. 2 words.
2 words.
Oh my god.
Pretty.